The Force1 Skibidi toilet toy drone stands out as an officially licensed collectible that captures the wild humor and look of the series while actually flying like a real quadcopter. Its jetpack-styled body, spinning buzzsaw design, and detailed goggles give it a screen-accurate feel that fans will immediately recognize and want to display between flights. Headless mode, altitude hold, and a single button for takeoff and landing make this a surprisingly beginner-friendly drone that kids and new pilots can control without frustration. The 2.4 GHz remote offers responsive control over a generous backyard range, so you can stage silly aerial battles without constant signal drops. Two selectable speed settings let you start slow while learning and then ramp up to a faster pace, keeping the drone fun even as your skills improve. The included rechargeable battery, spare propellers, and clear instructions mean you can get flying quickly and keep the toy in action with minimal downtime.